Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading, weekly ganap for January 6 to 12, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And also please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, and mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa lahat ng mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Thank you. Nakakatulong talaga yan para magpatuloy ang ating channel. Okay? Thank you for your support. So, what we're doing here is kinukuha na natin yung mga cards para tuloy-tuloy ang ating pagbasa. So, let's see for Scorpio. January 6 to 12. And then we have tarot cards. Scorpio, January 6 to 12. Okay, let's begin. You have Temperance, Nine of Swords, Six of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, and the Ace of Wands. Wow. It's giving new energies. It's giving change. It's giving moving on. Oo, you are moving on, moving to a new direction. Yung iba sa inyo, you've been through a lot, no? Maraming pagsubok, challenges. Yung iba sa inyo, naapektuhan pa nga yung mental health ninyo because of these things. But I think you're moving on. You are choosing to move on. You are leaving a situation. Meron ka nang iniiwanan na sitwasyon na sa tingin mo ay hindi mo dine-deserve, no? Dahil maraming problema, maraming stress. Yung iba sa inyo, I'm seeing someone na will go to therapy. You know, pag sinabi natin mag-therapy, yung iba kasi meron yung parang, ang tawag doon, stigma. Na, pag magpapa-therapy, parang hindi siya ganun ka-acceptable sa ibang tao na iniisip na merong mental challenge, no? But itong therapy na to will really help you to get out of a situation na talagang pakiramdam mo wala ka ng control dito. So, if you will let yourself have this therapy, you will be starting a new life after this. Okay? Temperance is also bringing balance into your life. So, medyo naging busy kayo nung mga nakaraan. Halos lahat naman siguro. But this time, you are clearing eh. I'm sensing here clearing. Parang pagtatanggal ng mga kalat or detoxification. Ayan. At dahil doon, papunta ka doon sa bagong simula, a new spark of interest. So, maaring meron kang bagong pagkakaabalahan this week. Oh, 'di ba? Oh my God. Evolution, change. From a caterpillar, naging butterfly ka na. So, yung transformation na yun, hindi yun madali para sa'yo. Pero nalagpasan mo. So, you are now open to new beginnings. Ayan. And itong energy ng monkey, which is humor, ito yung may panahon ka pa rin na maka-appreciate ng mga magagandang bagay sa buhay mo na yung iba sa inyo, dinadaan nyo na lang sa tawa, dinadaan nyo na lang sa joke. Ayan. Parang you are taking things lightly. You have desert or resilience. Ang ganda nito kasi kahit na may pinagdaanan kayong pagsubok, yung pagdala nyo doon sa pagsubok na yon is kayang-kaya nyo. Parang it's like yung sinasabi, it's winging, you wing it. Sa English kasi parang ano siya yung, sa English, you wing it. Ibig sabihin, ay parang ang bilis mo lang gawin or i I couldn't express it, nakakaloka. Ang bilis mo lang niyang gawin, ang bilis mo lang siyang pagdaanan, ganon. Oo. Kasi you are resilient, adaptable ka, flexible ka. You have Saturn in Scorpio in the 8th house. Oh. Saturn, ito yung hinihintay mo, no? Maaring meron kang limitations for quite a while pagdating sa finances mo, sa pera mo. But now, meron ng pagbabago, may pag-usad na. You also have Venus in the 2nd house, romance. Relationship. So some of you may be getting into a relationship or starting to love yourself because 2nd house is what you value. So if you value yourself at umaalis ka sa isang toxic situation, then it's time to love yourself. Focus on yourself, taking care of yourself. So some money, career, finances, merong assistance. Oh, I think ito yung kung kayo nagkaroon ng struggle financially, someone is willing to help you. Meron ka lang na-overlook na resources na hindi mo nakikita na pwede mong magpagkunan ng ng finances mo para masolusyonan mo yung financial difficulties. However, there is someone who is willing to help you, give you assistance, so don't worry. Pagdating sa relationship, it is important na open yung inyong expectation sa isa't isa. Yung alam mo kung ano yung ina-expect sa'yo ng person mo at alam din ng person mo yung ina-expect mo sa kanya. Oo, kasi yung iba nag-expect tapos hindi pala kayang ibigay ng other person and then eventually, yun yung nagiging dahilan para magkaroon ng conflict. Endings are inevitable. So, I think ito yung mga pagtatapos ng chapter sa buhay nyo na kailangan nyo nang i-let go para ma-embrace nyo tong new beginnings. Kasi itong new beginnings na to will be very exciting for you. Maaring iba, travel opportunities. 10 of Swords. Oh, ending talaga. Ending ng difficult situation when it comes to your finances. Dahil meron ng tutulong sa'yo or magkakagawa ka na ng solusyon. Sa relationship, maraming may interest sa'yo. Maaring iba, meron kayong merong mga admirers out there. So, hindi naman kasi lahat ng admirers natin ay compatible sa atin. So, kailangan din, alamin mo if you are ready for a relationship o tanong mo sa sarili mo kung nadadala ka lang ba dito sa emosyon na pinapakita ng isang tao sa'yo. Kaya gusto mo na rin o gusto mo talaga siya. So, yun yung dapat mong masigurado sa sarili mo before you get into a relationship. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.